Hey guys, Corth Camel ADV. I'm going to do a short little video tonight for the pivot bolt upgrade on the Aprilia Tuareg. We did one previously, but we've changed the part just a little bit, and I don't want to confuse people when they go to do the install. Some of the parts are different, and it's not in a big enough package that we can put a revision sheet in there, a little bit of paperwork. Just easier to redo the video. The problem is the standard pivot bolt for the shifter is quite brittle, so guys will drop their bikes and catch the shifter and it'll break the bolt off, and that makes getting home really difficult because you can't shift with your foot. You got to reach down and hand shift, which is tough, especially with the clutches also on your left hand side. Getting the broken off bolt out is also a challenge, so we wanted to make a part to upgrade that. It's a cheap part, install is super simple, and I will show you how it works. So this is the kit here. If you scan the QR code, it's going to take you to the product page. On the product page, on the right-hand side is going to be the link to this video. So we've got the main pivot here, or the sleeve. So this is new, this section here, and it mimics the original bolt. Before it was just this top section, and then there was a washer that went in here. And this is just a better design, so we swapped this style. We've got a 10.9 grade bolt and a countersunk washer, so that's going to go in there, and the sleeve goes over top, and then we've got the two O-rings go on here, and then the pedal goes in between. So I'll go over to the bike, show you how to take the old one off, and then go through the install on this. All right, so we're going to take the original pivot bolt out, and it's a T40 Torx. So when that guy breaks, your shifter's just flopping around. You got to kind of swing it up here, and then you're trying to ride and shift. Pulling it up is fine, pushing it down is another story. It's a real pain when it happens. So the original bolt has this extra bit on it that drops into the pocket, so we've added that to our sleeve. So we're going to take the sleeve, put a little bit of grease. The depressed center is there to hold grease, so it doesn't get squeegeed off when you slide the shifter on. And the small side just goes in and drops into that pocket. So on the back of your shifter, your OEM O-ring might be there. If it's there, it's fine. You can leave it. You don't need to replace it with ours. And the same on the front, the O-rings here. If they came out with the bolt, you can absolutely use the O-rings that are in our kit. Either or, they're not going to be worn out or anything. And then we're going to slide the shifter on like that. And that O-ring is in there. And then we're going to take our bolt and that countersunk washer and some blue Loctite. A 5mm Allen. Better than new. So I've seen lots of comments on social media about our kit and some of the other ones that are available on Amazon and AliExpress, things like that. And people say, well, why is the bolt included in these kits any better than the OEM one? You want to drill the threads out and put a through bolt, so if it breaks, it's just got a nut on the backside and you can get it out. And that's great, there's no problem with that at all. That is a totally acceptable fix. If you don't want to drill the threads out, if you have the proper grade bolt going through the sleeve, breaking it is not an issue. I'll show you in the vise here. Why not? So this is a 10.9 bolt, same as what's in the kit. That's it for the install. As always, if you have any questions, info@camel-adv.com. Thanks for watching.